Both movies have the same premise. A kid kills his sister, gets sent to an asylum, 15 years later he escapes, goes back home, and goes on a killing spree. Now the approach of each movie to these events is completely different. The original movie, it's completely focused on the slice of Americana that is suburbia. The picket fences, the green grass backyard, the small houses that all look the same in the same lane, and the babysitters and their one thing in mind boyfriends. As in the Rob Zombie movie, you have a full slice of the fabric that is society. White trash, Mexican immigrants, doctors, school teachers, principals. Basically every stereotype of US society is represented in this one movie. John Carpenter's movie focuses solely on the night that Michael Myers returns to kill everyone. It's a much more focused movie on the fear, on the threat, this unknown, unseen guy that you'll never see his face throughout the whole movie. It's a thing, they call it the shape. Suddenly in your neighborhood, in your backyard, he's the threat, the unknown. The movie's all about that. You have your kids with the babysitters and everything is very innocent, very calm. They have their little dramas, they have mentions of sex because of the boyfriends, but it's nothing too big. There's no major social problems. You don't see poverty, you don't see unemployment, none of that. And then you got this stranger, this something that doesn't belong there, and that on that night goes rampant and starts destroying this picture of innocence. It's a much more focused movie on the horror of it. The Rob Zombie film, on the other hand, is much more about the killer itself. It gives it the face from the get-go. You see the kid, and then you see the events that lead to him being incarcerated. The whole 15 years that it just fast forward in the Carpenter version. Here you get to see what happened in those 15 years. And then you get the killings on that Halloween night. The Carpenter original is this one night of killing, and what Rob Zombie did was he filled in the holes in that story between the first murder and the killing spree on Halloween. The only thing I didn't like in both movies, actually, was this one scene, the escape scene. The escape scene of the original, it all felt kind of, was that the main character? What just happened there? What? Huh? It's all kind of random, and one of the characters even mentioned something that's logically a plot hole, but having the character mention it doesn't excuse it. And then on the remake, it's just weird. It doesn't make any sense. The escape scene is just so convoluted. It's that would never happen, or at least I like to think that would never happen. If that has happened in any asylum in the history of mankind, humanity is a lot worse than I thought. So to sum it all up, if you have to watch only one of them, watch the original. John Carpenter's is still a better horror movie because it's more focused on the horror itself. Having said that, if you have the time, watch the Rob Zombie one too, because it's a really good movie, be it that the first part is much more consistent, and when we switch gears into the Halloween night and the killings, it kind of takes you a while to get used to the changing in pace and in tone of the movie. It has those white trash characters that I don't like from typical Rob Zombie movies. That's a personal issue. I don't like those type of characters. They really annoy me. The lack of respect they have towards one another really get to me, not in the good way. And that's not really horror, it's just disturbing the lack of respect the characters have for each other. But again, that's something Rob Zombie does in every movie I've seen of him. He has these characters, so I'm betting, just like me, he doesn't like them. It's a great movie that explains a lot of stuff that was just hinted in the original one. It pays the whole homages with the classic actors, the bunch of cameos. I don't think they're cameos when they're this many and this present. Almost every single character that you see on screen is someone that's familiar to you if you're a horror fan. It's like an encyclopedia of horror parading in front of you. It's amazing. And then the homages to the original one, be it with the camera movement and placement or with the soundtrack. It's just awesome. You can see that Rob Zombie really loves the original one by John Carpenter, in that it really went all the way into paying homage and filling in the blanks, and it's just a great movie. So that's what makes it a little less interesting as a horror movie, but they're both great. So the winner is the original, but the Rob Zombie remake is awesome. So that is the first duel of the remakes. Hope you enjoyed it. More to come. Enjoy.